Our materials have arrived. Our river rock, our boulders, our plants, everything we need on site right now, pulling up. As you can hear the truck, they're backing up. We're gonna be unloading these plants, getting them placed. This thing is really gonna start taking a personality, and stay tuned. Okay, so we just got all our plants set into place, and now we're going to be putting them in the ground. I'm going to give you a little bit of tour of that, and I'm also going to show you a neat little trick as far as marking out river rock so we can differentiate right now the difference between river rock and mulch. Landscaping has been set, everything is marked out. This indicates where I would like to place our boulders. River rock, you'll see an M throughout here for mulch, but here we have our base for our evergreen plants, and then of course we're just keeping the line straight. Everything's going to be nice, clean, and uniform.